Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at this Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. This is a 2024, just arrived here in Jacksonville Beach. This is a great boat to tow with you on vacation. It's easy to maintain. Kids love this boat. It's great for the intercoastal waterway around here. Be great for the lakes. But again, very easy to pull. You can fit it inside your garage. Lots of benefits about a little boat like this. This particular one is equipped with a 40 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke, bimini top, the bench seat behind the helm area, and this one is packaged with a trailer. A couple of nice features about this boat is that you've got some non-skid back here on the back, so that when you're going to stand on the back of the boat, when you're either going ashore or maybe jumping in the water, you've got some nice non-skid there. You've also got non-skid all throughout the boat. One of the things that I really like about not just this Whaler, but all the Whalers, is the high quality hardware that they use. If you look at these, the bimini top on here and the rails and the steering wheel and the cleats, it's all 316L, which L means laboratory grade. So it's very high quality stainless steel that they use in their boats, all the way down to the 13-footer, all the way up through their largest models. This one just has the bench seat behind the helm area, but there's different seating options that you can get there. You can get a couple of bucket seats. You can get a bench seat backrest. So you can change that up a little bit to suit your needs. You can also put a bow cushion in the bow of this boat. You've got a little glove compartment right here. You throw your keys, your wallet, your hat, that kind of stuff in there. You've got some more grab rails in the front of the boat here too. Nice non-skid on the front of the boat, so if you're going to stand up here and fish or throw a cast net, you've got good footing on the bow as well. Heavy duty cleats all around the boat. Going to make it easy to tie up at the dock. Again, nice stainless steel hardware everywhere on the Boston Whalers. This boat's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Give me a call on my cell phone if you'd like to see this boat in person, 904-625-6146.